These chalk markers are just the best. Chalkola sent me this set of 6mm chalk markers. Here's what the tips look like. Let's see, I am not an artist by any means. That is my daughter. Ooh, that's terrible. There's my little flower, and then it's kind of wet still. Once this dries, I'll use the yellow and put a cute little dot in the middle. They're super easy to wipe off too. I just have, this is not completely soaked, but I have a wet, moist rag. You can use a paper towel too, and it just wipes right up. And then just so I can use it immediately again, that's it. So easy and so cute. There's so many different colors. We have a couple goldish yellow, green, light blue, purple. So many different colors to work with, and they're all beautiful. So here's one that I have not primed yet. This is the green. So it comes with a tip that's white. You just kind of pump it a few times. And then the color, you can see the color, it's starting to come to the tip. You just keep going. If the marker ever dries out, you do the same thing. Shake it, pump it, shake it, pump it. Or if it gets really dry, you can pull the nib out and flip it over, and it'll get moist again. Love these markers. They work so well.